It's a strong seller's market. Inventory has never been so low, neither have interest rates. New construction can't keep up. That means there is stiff competition to get your offer accepted. What do I do to get my offer accepted in 2021? Stay tuned. I've got 6 tips for you. Hello everyone, Meral Ibrahim here, broker associate with Coldwell Banker Realty in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you're new to my channel and want to learn about lifestyles, communities, and some real estate in South Florida, click on that subscribe button and bell so you'll be notified each time I make a new video. It is no secret to anyone that there has been a shift in the real estate market due to the events of 2020. People are realizing they need to have more space after being cooped up for so long. And ever since the tracking of homes for sale, housing inventory has never been as low as it is right now. Economists and industry players project home prices will continue to rise by 5.7% in 2021, and that the seller's market will continue for the foreseeable future. So naturally, if you're buying in a seller's market, you'll encounter higher prices and increased competition and be expected to make quick decisions. If you're looking to buy right now, it may be hard to get one at a fair price. And in some areas, houses are going under contract in a matter of days. So here are 6 tricks to get your offer accepted. Number 1, get pre-approved. Getting pre-approved is critical if you want to make the strongest case that your offer is solid. While it's not a loan commitment, it helps the seller feel more confident in your intent and financial ability to actually buy the home. Number 2, offer more earnest money. A larger deposit shows the seller how dedicated you are. Just be sure you have those contingencies in the contract that will protect your earnest money should you later want to back out. Number 3, be flexible on closing dates. If a seller needs a quick close, try to accommodate the seller's timeline as much as possible. For some sellers, like those buying at the same time or relocating for work, timeline is even more important than price. For others, they may need more time before closing, perhaps to allow their kids to finish the school year or for construction of their new home to be complete. Once your agent can figure out the seller's schedule, it can be a tremendous help in structuring your offer. So write up your offer accordingly. Number 4, offer your highest and best. Rather than playing a game with the seller, meaning going back and forth negotiating the price, offer the maximum offer right up front. Right now, the best way to entice a seller into accepting your offer is by offering their full asking price. And since we're in a competitive market or a multiple offer situation, you may need to offer more than the asking price. In February 2021, the percentage of the original list price received according to the local multiple listing service is 92.6%, but in some areas of the country, the prices received are in double digits above the asking price. Now, you may be thinking, I don't want to go over market value. Well, you do have some protection here because remember, the lender is going to require an appraisal on the property to ensure that you don't go above the appraised value. This protects both you, the buyer, from overpaying, and it protects the lender. I have a video on how appraisals work and ways to overcome a low appraisal, so be sure to check it out at the end of this video. Number 5, make your offer as clean as possible. The more simple your offer, the easier it will be to get it accepted. What do I mean by clean and simple? Well, in short, it means a short financing contingency or loan approval time, a short appraisal contingency and due diligence period. Also, it means not adding in other contingencies like, buyer must sell their home, or asking the seller to pay for your closing costs. The market is very competitive right now, so it may be necessary to take a few risks to get the house you want. However, keep in mind that removing some contingencies will come with a certain amount of risk. Make sure you have a conversation with your realtor about the risks of removing certain contingencies. Number 6, all cash helps. If you can afford to offer all cash on a property, this will help you get an offer accepted even if other buyers have offered more with financing. Sellers love cash buyers because they know the money is available and ready, and any risk that the buyer's financing may fall through is lowered significantly. Putting an offer on a house can be complicated and stressful these days, even if this is not your first go around. So by putting these 6 tips into action, or even a few of them in this high stake market, you will increase your chances of buying that dream home significantly. If you liked this video, check out this one, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you'll be notified of my new videos. I put out a new video every single week, so you don't want to miss them. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.